Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change all fonts in PowerPoint. Manually updating fonts on every slide can be incredibly time-consuming and often leads to inconsistencies. The most effective and professional way to ensure a uniform look across your entire presentation is by utilizing the Slide Master feature. This powerful tool allows you to make global design changes, saving you a significant amount of effort and ensuring a polished final product. To get started, first open the PowerPoint presentation you wish to modify. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top ribbon. You'll find a tab labeled View. Click on this tab. Within the View tab, locate the Presentation Views group. Here, you will see an option called Slide Master. Clicking this will open a new view, revealing the underlying structure of your presentation's design. Now that you are in the Slide Master view, look at the left-hand pane. You'll see a series of thumbnails. Make sure to select the very topmost thumbnail, which represents the main Slide Master. With this selected, navigate back to the Slide Master tab in the ribbon. In the Background group, click on the Fonts drop-down menu. You can either pick from the many pre-designed font themes or select Customize Fonts to create your own unique combination. If you chose to customize, you'll define both your heading and body fonts. Once satisfied, give your new font theme a clear, descriptive name and save it. After selecting or creating your desired font theme, all slides linked to that master will automatically update. To exit the Slide Master view and return to your regular presentation, simply click the Close Master View button located on the Slide Master tab. Your entire presentation will now reflect the new font choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.